Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing a shopping haul, and obviously, we can tell where that shopping haul is from. It is Target. I love Target, and from my last video, I can tell that you guys love Target as well. I mean, who doesn't love Target? I'm excited. I have obviously some fashion finds, some really good ones that are gonna help us transition into fall, which is my favorite transition. I also have some really good accessories, some tried and true beauty finds, and some home decor. Because who can go to Target without picking up something to decorate their home with? Honestly. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let's start with something that I am actually wearing. It is this striped top and this cardigan. Oh, you guys, they're both so good. So this striped top is one of many colors and patterns that is available right now. It is $10. It is thin, but like substantial, and it's just stretchy and like that perfect layering piece. You know what I'm talking about. This is it, and it's $10. I am also wearing this longer cardigan that I love. It is thick, has really great texture to it, and if you didn't know it was from Target, I think I could fool you, making you think it was Vince or Free People or something way more expensive than $25. I love layering these two together, but they're both so versatile that they're gonna be able to pair with a lot of other things. All right, the next item that I picked up are belts. Talking about layering and going into fall, a staple in a fall wardrobe are belts. My husband might even think that I collect them, which he wouldn't be wrong. This pack of belts is $14. You get your brown, you get your black. If you don't have any other belts, this is a great place to start. Now, I love the skinny belts because they can easily go around your waist and not create too much bulk, but they're also gonna work around your hips. They're super versatile in that matter. And I would also go with a black and a brown. And here's how I love to do belts. Drape it over an unstructured dress to give it a little bit more structure and silhouette. I love to cinch in cardigans or blanket scarves. There's just so much use with these little things. Go get some. The next thing that I picked up has kind of changed everything, and that is this Dove dry shampoo. My hair is naturally greasy, so in an effort to cut down on all of those showers, which will strip my color and just isn't good for your hair, I use this. And you guys, I have tried every dry shampoo, and I especially am keen to the $20, $25 ones. I don't know why, but this one is a contender, and it's $5. It's actually like $4.89. So Dove has a lot in their line of dry shampoo. This is the brunette dry shampoo. I've tried a lot of them and they're all wonderful. They also smell really good, which a lot of the cheaper ones, it's not really the case. So if you go through dry shampoo like I do, grab this one. I especially love to use this one after a workout when I have a lot of surface area to cover, but I don't want to use my really expensive one. This is your guy. All right, for the next one, let's do this blouse. So this beige blouse is darn cute. It's $27.99 and it's just beautiful. It's a really good transition piece into fall. You could wear it as is or throw in a leather jacket, go out the door, and you still look appropriate for the season. A couple things that I love about this is the pattern. It's nice and subtle, so I could wear some print in my shoes or in my jacket and it won't clash. And I also love the peplum at the bottom. Peplums are just a way to give you some shape, but then also flare out where it needs to. A lot of us have a little bit of that tummy trouble where we just want to camouflage it. And a peplum is gonna do that. So this blouse for $27.99 is a no-brainer. All right, for this next one, I actually want this blouse on. So we're gonna do just like a little bit of magic to get there because obviously I'm not going to change in front of you. All right, you ready for this? Boom, there we go. You guys, first of all, so cute. So cute. But what I want to share are accessories. This Universal Threads line by Target is like the biggest Madewell dupe ever. Everything that they come out with looks just like Madewell, but is half of the price. So I picked up both of these necklaces. I want to layer them together you could just as easily wear them by themselves, but I love to layer. So these ones go really well together. This little one is $14.99. The bigger one is $16.99. Together, they equal the price of like maybe one Madewell necklace. Yes. Okay. Isn't this cute? I love the length of this one, but I love the color that this one brings in. And it goes really well with the blouse. Like I said, this blouse is versatile enough to be able to wear some patterns and color with it. When you are layering necklaces, you want to be aware of where the neckline hits. So in this case, it's right above my collar. So I'm going to choose a necklace that goes below my neckline or above it into a choker. You just don't want it competing with that neckline. Make sense? I mentioned that I bought some home decor because like literally, who can go to Target and not just pick something up? So with this theme of fall, and we're just getting so close, a couple things are gonna help transition my house into the fall and just bring in some of those elements. All right. Eesh. Okay, first is a candle. Like, who can go to Target and not get a candle? This one's $10. Oh my gosh, it's vetiver. That's not pronounced right. And cedarwood, it's so yummy. I like the height. It's just a little different than my other candles. So definitely pick that up for $10. I also picked up this. Isn't it cute? It is little, but it has that fall foliage. I love the color of the glass. And these two together are gonna look really good just on a shelf. This is also $5.99, no brainer. The next item is a beauty item, and it's something that I use every day, sometimes twice a day, and it is these simple wipes. So these are my replacement to a gel cleanser. I am like so lazy when it comes to cleaning my face that I just want the easiest option. I'm tired, I just want to wipe it all off. Now I have been using Simple brand for years, and they finally came out with a compostable wipe. It's incredible. They are still just as strong as the other wipes. They remove waterproof mascara. They're just as gentle on your skin, but I feel better throwing them away every day, you know? So if you're lazy like me, these are gonna be your friend, but they're also a lot more kind on the environment than the other wipes out there. All right, the next item that I have is a jumpsuit. I think jumpsuits just make sense. If you're not wearing a dress, you wear a jumpsuit. It's one piece and you're done. This jumpsuit is $29.99, which is like one of the cheapest full outfits out there. And it's so cute. I love the pattern, I love the color. I also love that it's going to easily transition into fall. Once again, throw on another layer, that cardigan or a leather coat, and you're out the door. All right, I'm really sad that I'm to my last piece. I just am. I don't ever want this to end. But we're gonna end on a good note with some shoes. So these are some Croc mules. Aren't they so cute? They're gonna also be really good to transition into fall. They are just as easy to wear as a sandal, but a lot dressier and looks a lot better. And you don't have to make sure you have a pedicure in them. I think that's like the best part of these. They are also so comfortable. Let's pull this out. Like, you won't be able to see this, but it is literally memory foam in here. So for $25, go get yourself a pair. I love this pattern, this little croc print, and I love the color because it's versatile. If you can't tell by now, my whole shtick is having really versatile pieces that are gonna pair with a lot in your closet because it just makes the most sense. And these are them. So go grab these. Ladies, as they say, all good things must come to an end. I think they say that. That's actually really depressing. They're coming to an end for now. You know I'll be back with more shopping hauls very, very soon. I will also link everything that I shared down in that description below. If you just click the little arrow, a show more, then it will open up a whole new world of clickable links that will take you to each of these things. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and even more, subscribe. I love having you in my YouTube family, and you will know every time that I release a new video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.